Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at if it's actually possible to use Clearpay on Amazon. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now I'm on the Clearpay website here, and if you've ever used Clearpay before, you will know that you can actually go to their website and you can search for brand, products or stores that actually work with Clearpay. However, if we type in Amazon into the search bar, as you can see, there are no options. So how do we get around this? Now, if you weren't actually aware, Clearpay in different countries is actually called Afterpay, and they've recently introduced their Afterpay Plus card. So what this means is it is not yet actually possible to use Clearpay on Amazon. However, since this Afterpay Plus card has started rolling out in different countries, I'm sure we can expect this card here in the UK very soon. So what you will have to do in order to use Clearpay on Amazon is actually keep an eye out for this card, and then when it does launch in UK, you can simply get this card, and this will allow you to pay in full almost anywhere. So what this will mean is you will have a credit card that is preloaded with some money, and from there we will be able to enter those card details on Amazon just like we would with any other card. But without this card it will not be possible, so you do want to keep an eye out to see when this will actually release. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully you now know it's not currently possible to use Clearpay on Amazon. However, it will be coming in the future, so please keep an eye out for this, as this will be a great feature that they will add to Clearpay. Thanks for watching.